before we begin, kindly look into this. Go to social media, all your social media platforms, and search for this name. I'm available on YouTube as at George Adjonga, on Telegram at Cadwith Adjonga, and in WhatsApp on the number displayed, as well in Facebook as George Adjonga, and Instagram as well. So kindly tune into those, subscribe to the channels, like and share with your friends. Now this is what we want to draw, drawing of the TikTok logo. Yes, so drawing of the TikTok logo is very easy. Just need all we need to do to know is the dimensions of this. So we are going to start with drawing, doing the page setups, that is units, and in units you set from 0 to 0.0, and then in scale you set to millimeters, then you set the limits 0, 0 to 297, 210, and then you zoom all. Well, after that, because this we are going to draw it in the AutoCAD Classic, you check this we have in the same page, AutoCAD Classic, so we are not going to change that. So the next thing that we are going to do is to draw the outer line of the account, the outer line of which, in the outer line, have your auto mode on to ensure that it is straight 90. It is supposed to be 109.4, 109.13, and we have 76.7, and we have again 13, the height of this. Well, the height of this, it should be about 109.4, and you have this 13, 76.7, and 13. Well, after that we are going to use fillets. We are going to use fillets as well. We can use tan. We can use tan radius for the circles. So we are going to use fillets of R13, and we are going to have this and this. Of R13, and this Well, 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 so that is the outer length, the outer border. So after that, we are going to draw the circle. So we are going to copy this. We are going to copy this to a distance of 48. After that, we are going to copy this other one to a distance of 54. Well, after that, we are going to again copy this. We are going to copy this to a distance of 13, and then so the next thing that we were supposed to do, remember this was supposed to be at 54 from here. It was supposed to be copied to 54, not from the origin up there. So 54. Well and good. So at this point we are going to copy. We are going to copy this. We are going to copy this to a distance of 13, and this other distance. So after that, we are going to draw circles. So we are going to draw circles. One, at this point we are going to draw a circle of R, circle of R, to be 19, radius 19, and then after that we're going to draw another circle of R 12. So that circle of diameter 12, diameter 24, and R of 12. Well, another circle. So this we draw from this point. Yes, so draw a circle at this point to R of 12, and the distance between this circle and the largest circle that is surrounding it is a distance of 11.4. Therefore, this other circle, the bigger circle, is of 23.4 radius. After that, we are to copy copy this to copy that to a distance of 11.0, and copy another one to a distance of 11.7. Copy from here to a distance of 11.7. Well, after that, we are to now start trimming, so that we are now to start trimming. We have to start trimming, so type trimming and double enter, and then trim all that are not necessary, and do it in a simple way. There is one thing that is remaining here. We are supposed to have another circle, as you can see here. It is a circle of R30.4. A circle of R30.4 from the same center, 30.4. Good. So we have trim remaining parts, trim all the remaining parts, all of the remaining parts, trim all, trim all of the remaining parts. Now let's delete this, delete, and delete, and then continue trimming. Trim and trim. Trim. So delete this, delete this, and trim. As well, join line, after that line, check. We have the TikTok logo here. Check. Well, this is the TikTok logo, rightly drawn in 2D Autocad. We can have this in PDF. We can have this in PDF. Now here we have the TikTok logo in 2D and in PDF now. This you can do it, just believe, and surely you are going to do it right. Let's continue the next video where we are going to draw this in the 3D drawing. Thank you. We will come back.